Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here, and I have another Cupshe haul, right? So Cupshe is a website that has mostly swimsuits, bathing suits, bikinis. There's cover-ups, there's caftans, and there's super cute dresses. There's a few sweatshirts and casual leisure wear, and they have been such a kind brand in sending me so many things. So I have two bikini hauls that I've already got on my channel if you want to watch those. But this one is more dresses with, yeah. But there is a really cute two-piece, so fingers crossed it fits. So I have some really cute stuff. I'm gonna link everything below. Everything is in kind of the between the $20 and $30 range, super affordable, tons of fun. There are vintage inspired suits if you love that look, that kind of pinup look. There's high-waisted, yeah, so super fun. This was sort of a fun little something different. You guys know I love polka dots, and this is like a wrap dress. It's basically just, it slips on. It has an elastic waist, sweet little kind of puffy sleeves with like the crisscross front. It has this little ruffle. It's about knee length, maybe longer. I got a medium. I don't know if this is going to be a little too big or maybe just kind of not, I mean, we'll see. I feel like it's a casual sort of loose structure to it. It's polyester, but it's just, it's like super easy to throw on, throw in the wash, that kind of thing. So we'll see. I think it's a fun color, actually. I know people are like, ooh, mustard? No, this is, I was gonna say it's like wheat or flax, but I don't think it is. And in the spirit of it's still summer, because pumpkin spice lattes came out today at Starbucks, but I'm not getting one. I'm not getting one until September. I don't feel like it. Okay, this is so much fun. This could be a cover-up. This could be great for like your Labor Day picnic, right? If it's still sunny and hot, which I think most of the country is still really hot. It's, I love it. It's like rayon. It kind of looks kind of tropical, kind of fun. It's very, I mean, it's just so comfy. It's got that crossover like V right here. It's got like this full sleeve. It's elastic, and it just kind of drapes thin, or I should say a slim, kind of like a slim A-line, and it has these little slits. So I like it. I did get a size small. I'm thinking, is this one size? No, I got a size small in that. Now, I love a caftan. I know, I feel like they have totally made a comeback. Everybody makes fun of them like it's Mrs. Roper on Three's Company. She knew what she was doing. Something that's just so simple and drapey. If it has pockets, even better, because nowadays we want a place for a phone or a lipstick or like your, you know, debit card or whatever. I don't think this has pockets, but that's okay. This is a caftan. I think it's gorgeous. I am a sucker for blue and white. It is very much like traditional caftan. You know, it's square. It's basically almost like a piece of fabric folded over with a hole in the center and then made into a complete square. This is one size fits all. This is very, I mean, it's a polyester or like a rayon. It can be for pool cover up. It could be for like a deck party. Like, I mean, you name it. Just lounging around in your house, going to your apartment cabana, you know, like when you don't feel like looking decent. But honestly, a pair of big sunglasses, a big hat, or like a head wrap, oh, you will look like Gloria Swanson. You will look like old Hollywood personified. I think it's gonna fit me. I love this. I love a floral. It's spaghetti strap. It has this like flouncy front, and then it has just, it's about midi length. It's not knee, not, doesn't go to the knee. It doesn't, oh, it has a zipper. Good. Why did I think it didn't. Yeah, and it's just this, oh my gosh, I love this print. It is a wrap, and it is a little bit like, I'm gonna have to put some dress tape like right here to anchor it so that it doesn't go, because it wraps kind of high. Like in terms of where it comes together, I was looking at it going, huh. Okay, but I just think it's such a sweet little pattern. And then the one swimsuit. I know. I love it. Okay, so it is. It's like a halter style. I love this kind of halter. I just think it's super flattering. Love this color. Minnie Mouse? I know, right? And if that's your thing, it's my thing, so. And they're kind of high-waisted. And I hope they cover my cheeks. Yeah, I did get a medium. My thing with the swimsuits, it's a little tricky because my bottoms are bigger than my tops. But in the mix and match suits, which I've gotten before, where I got like the small on top and the medium on the bottom, those are great, but this pattern wasn't in that, and so I really wanted this pattern, so I'm hoping it'll work. All right, so you guys, I'm gonna do a little try on for you. I'm gonna model each piece in my haul so you can see what it looks like on and gauge for yourself, like, do I like it? Do I not like it? Is that gonna look cute on me? Should I get that size? Blah, blah. You got the picture. So take it away, Rebecca. Okay, here we have this polka dot little number, and there is just something sort of kind of not so great on me about this, I think. It's really comfortable. I think I could wear it just like running to the store, you know, it's not bad, but I think I actually need to go down a size. It's cute, but I think if you're like me and you're about a size 4, get that small. Is that tropical print, that's what I'm calling it. It is, oh my gosh, so comfy. I feel like it's so incredibly slimming. The small fits, and it like, wow, it really fits. So it's coming just straight over, like it's not tugging or anything like that. So, you know, definitely picked the right size. I love how this kind of plunges and crosses, but I still feel covered. It's right to my ankles. I don't know if you can see, but it goes to my ankles. It's perfect. This is really, oh my gosh. This would be so good for Hawaii. Like, it just feels so cool on my skin. Like, it would just be breezy and it would keep me cool and covered. Yeah. Almost this small. I mean, it's not too big, but it's got room, so that's good. And I have such weird, I think my shoulders slope or something, so I had to really, well, I have no boobs, so, because look, like if you're bigger in the bust, yay, if you have a bigger bust and a tiny waist, this dress is for you. It's very sweet. And I was right. This feels super breezy. I'm gonna just like kind of anchor it with some dress tape or maybe like a little safety pin just to kind of keep it from breeze. Yeah. I mean, if I was Chrissy Teigen, I would just own it and let my dress go all over the place. Yeah, it's a little high-low action, so it's higher. It goes to my calf. Really, Sophie, are you bored? Sophie's bored. It's so cute. It's so cute. I feel, I actually feel like the bottoms are snug for a medium. So if you have your proportion kind of like me with small bust, you know, thigh, butt, and belly kind of bigger, I feel like this is perfect, and it doesn't have a tie here, so you have to kind of get it just right. And then this is kind of tight, but yeah. So super cute, little cheek action, not bad. And oh, the color though, I love it. It does go a little higher, well, it's high-waisted. So, you know, maybe that would be cuter for me. I don't know. Sometimes showing a little more torso can be more flattering for me. But it's just a really sweet style and pattern. I love it. Very large, it's one size. Is it? Yeah, this is the one size. Love the pattern. It's just a little voluminous, but you know, that's kind of the way a caftan works. So I just say, Cupshe, put pockets in your caftans, anything you can. Pockets. You can hold a room key, you can hold your phone. So, but there's so much winning. There's so much winning with a caftan. Darling, fetch me a drink. I'll take a dirty martini. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my haul from Cupshe. Thank you again for sending those things to me, Cupshe. Super cute, love wearing them. And I will leave links below and sizes so you can reference them for yourself. Be sure to visit them because they've been so good to me. And I hope that you are subscribed to my channel. I hope you have clicked that bell for notifications and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.